Hi guys, my name is Selena. Thank you for joining me here on my channel today. So I have decided to embark upon a hair health challenge. It's going to be a 3-month long challenge. So this is where we are starting from, guys. This is my hair currently. And when I first put this t-shirt on, I was thinking I was going to be touching the first line, but that was a struggle. As you can see, I was trying my best to reach that first line, but who am I kidding? I'm not at the first line yet, but we will get there. We're going to get there. That's what I keep telling myself. So let me explain exactly what this challenge is going to involve. So I am only going to be using 100% natural ingredients. I will not be using any store-bought products. So everything within my hair care regimen will be DIY. I will be making it myself at home. So we are talking about my hair cleanser, my moisturizing deep conditioning treatment, my strengthening deep conditioning treatment, my leave-in conditioner, my styling products, my moisturizer, absolutely everything that I will be using on my hair throughout this journey will be completely DIY. So I'm going to be using things such as teas and clays, different types of herbs. I'm also going to be using film forming humectants, butters, oils. Obviously it's from nature, then I'm allowed to use it. So I feel as though this is going to be quite interesting. So I will also not be able to use heat, so no blow drying for me. This is going to be so tough. What am I doing? I like to blow dry my hair once a month because I kind of feel as though I get to really check it and make sure everything's going okay. But if I'm being honest, I can lose a few hair strands here or there from using a comb and using heat. So yeah, I'm not going to be using heat throughout the 3 months. This is going to be tough. Now, I will only be able to have low manipulation styles. So for me, that is having 10 braids in my hair. That's just my chosen low manipulation style. So I will be utilizing this style pretty much throughout the whole of the 3 months. I've been doing it for a little while and it seems to be working. I'm retaining length, guys. So I'm going to continue that. I will not have my hair out in the open at all during the entirety of this challenge. I won't have it in a fro. I won't have it in its natural coily state. No, none of that. I'm only able to have my 10 braids and I can, pretty it up by wearing some nice head wraps or something. But my hair will have to be braided throughout this challenge. So weekly washes will be a thing. I wash my hair every week anyway. Sometimes it has to run to about 10 days. I never go more than 10 days without washing it. But I'm going to be very strict no matter what's going on in my life. Every 7 days, I will be washing my hair. So if somebody tries to make plans with me, it's just going to be, can't do that day because I'm washing my hair. So obviously because of this, I will be doing hot oil treatments every single week and sitting under my heated cap for 30 minutes. Yeah, that's a bit strict. It's just part of the challenge. So yeah, hot oil treatments every single week. I know they do my hair the world of good. So yeah, we're going to incorporate that as well. I will also be deep conditioning each week, whether that's a moisturizing deep conditioning treatment or whether that's a strengthening deep conditioning treatment. Either way, whatever it is that my hair needs on that day, that's what my hair will get. Now, I will also be doing ACV rinses, so apple cider vinegar rinses every single week. Now, guys, I just want to say, if you are curious as to the different herbs that I will be using, I've done videos on this on my channel so that you are able to see the different ingredients that I put together in replacement of my store-bought products. So be free to subscribe and check out the rest of my content. Now, another thing that I will be doing is I will be moisturizing or hydrating and moisturizing my ends like every 2 to 3 days. I won't go more than 3 days without moisturizing my ends because remember I said that my hair is going to be in 10 braids, right? It's very easy for me to just undo the ends of each braid, hydrate them, and sealing all that moisture. So my ends will not be dry throughout the whole of this challenge. I'm going to make sure that that water is distilled. I'm not just going to be using boiling tap water from out the kettle. I'm going to actually purposefully use distilled water. I've noticed the difference between the two. So yeah, that's another part of this challenge. Okay, so another part of this challenge is I will not be using any fake hair in my hair whatsoever. So no braided extensions, no weave, no wigs, none of that. It's just going to be me, myself, and my natural hair. Oh, and maybe a headscarf as well. I'll wear some headscarves. So I will also be making sure that I wear my silk scarf every single night. I also have a satin pillow as well. And so I'll have both of those just in case my headscarf comes off, then my hair and my ends will be protected. I am also going to be massaging my scalp every single night. I find that I struggle with this. Anyway, I have a nice little massager that I use, but I don't do it regularly. I used to when I first got it because it's like a new gadget. You want to try it out, but then I got bored. Yeah, okay, that's part of the challenge. We're going to do this, or I'm going to do this every single night without fail. So another part of this challenge is me oiling my scalp every 2 days. So every other day. My scalp actually does love oil on it, especially my Ayurvedic oil that I make. My scalp just loves the stuff. So yeah, I will be oiling my scalp every other day. So I will not be trimming my hair throughout this whole challenge. I'm just going to come back to you in a few months' time and we're going to take a really good look at the ends of my hair. Now, I will make sure that I keep on top of my diet. I am plant-based anyway. No meat, no fish, no dairy. I'm going to be very strict with my diet. That being said, I will also make sure that I am drinking 1.5 liters of water a day. I'm going to be exercising between 3 and 4 days a week because I know that that really helps with blood circulation. So that's something that I'm going to incorporate into this challenge as well. I will also be keeping a daily diary. I've done it before in the past when I first went on this natural hair journey. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to make a note of everything that I'm using, everything that I'm doing. And like I said, it's going to be daily. If all goes well, then I'm going to do this challenge again for a longer period of time, maybe 6 months. And I feel as though it would be great to do that over the autumn winter season. Right guys, so that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you feel as though this is quite intensive. Let me know if you've got my back as well. Let me know if you are there for me during this challenge because I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need some support. And yeah, hopefully you guys will join me on the second hair care challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you all again in the next one.